Hey guys, how's it going? Danish here, and today we are looking at the Huawei Mate XTs. Now, as far as this one is concerned, this is the XTs model, and I got this from Huawei because the Huawei Mate XT is coming to the UAE. That means it's coming with a global version, and there's so much to talk about, and it's so similar to the XTs that I thought, hey, it should be fine. I'll keep mentioning along the way what you're getting with the XT instead of the XTs, so keep an eye out for that. But before any further ado, let us check out Huawei's latest tri-folding phone. Now, let's start off with this back design, which I really like. So if you can see, it's got this nice pattern on both sides and the Huawei Mate XTs. And of course, we've got their kind of traditional camera pattern right now, which is also similar to the Mate X7. Now, I will be doing a video on the X7 as well. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out. But coming back to the XTs, now first and foremost, right, let's talk about this body. Now, as you guys know by now, we have this Z pattern, right? So the Z pattern means that we have two differently folding hinges, one outward, one inward, and in that way you end up getting three usage shapes. So you obviously have the front, which is the regular screen, then you can open it up to be just like any other foldable, and then you can open it up again to be this giant triple folding phone, which is just beautiful. Now at this point you're like, okay, Danish, why does someone need a trifold? So initially, I also thought that like, oh, this is just a push of technology that really wasn't needed. But recently, I kind of met a few people from interested owners to actual owners of trifolds, and I was very interested and I was very intrigued by what they had to say. For example, I met a person who was looking to buy a trifold because they're a trader and they were sick and tired of having a laptop and a tablet and their phone and everything. And they were like, if I put all that money and just buy this one device, I'd be golden because that's all I need and my app works beautifully and it's optimized for a trifold. I thought, okay, awesome. Then I met another gentleman who said he wanted it for the larger screen because he has eye troubles. And then I met a lady who owned the previous version of the Huawei Mate XT, and I was so surprised to see how much she liked it. And this is right here in the UAE, so that means she had her Google apps, her Instagram, her social media. She told me about how she likes to multitask with it and so on. So clearly there is a market. Now, a market that can afford a very expensive phone, and we'll come to the price in a bit, but there is a market for it. So coming back to this phone, now, like I said, this is all one screen. This is all one piece, which is the best part about this. So it is a tri-foldable LTPO OLED with 1 billion colors, a 90 Hertz display, and basically a 10.2 inch when fully opened up. I'm gonna say an 8-inch display when it is in half form, 7.9 inches actually, and then a 6.4 inch front display, which just uses as a regular smartphone. Now, as far as the weight goes, the body is pretty nice to hold. It has nice curved sides, it looks good, and this comes in at 298 grams, which in no way, shape or form is light. But if you're going to be a first generation adopter of a triple folding device, whether from Huawei or the competition, you are gonna be holding a 300-gram phone, which is, yeah, it's quite a bit. But again, like I said, if you're keeping in mind how many devices you're getting in this, that could be a way to kind of balance that thought out. Now, one small difference that you will find between the XTs and the XT is that the XTs has stylus support. So if that is something that is important to you, definitely keep that in mind. I don't particularly think a stylus in any way is great for such a soft touch display. So it's not something that I would use, but hey, if you need it, now you know. Now, another phenomenal reason to own a trifold is exactly this, which is that the use of the retail area on this screen is just beautiful. Because if you were to go to a regular fold, I mean, look at that. That's basically almost the same size as just another screen. And similarly, if I were to do this, it would just be so much smaller, right? But when you open it all out, that's the beauty of a trifold, to have that retail space, especially for video watching. And like, let's just be honest about this. We watch a lot of videos and we consume a lot of content. So having that option of all three sizes is something I really like, because the second size, the in-between size, while it's just an option, it also turns out to be a great way. I mean, if you're going to do your multitasking or anything like that, it turns out great for that, whereby you can use this screen 50-50 split. But apart from that, oh man, watching a video in this form, look at this. Oh, look at that scene. Absolutely spectacular, like biggest reason to get a trifold. Now, like I said, I spoke to my friends over at Huawei, got myself the XTS. They've given it to me for a few days, and obviously because this is the XTS, it also has Harmony OS on it, which is not what we will see here in the Middle East, but as you can see, it looks very different. The apps are very different, but even on this, you can get your Google apps. So for example, I have a few downloaded here. I even downloaded Kita to show you that you can have local apps here in the UAE as well. On the Chinese version, this is through an app called Easy Travel Abroad, which is a whole other story. But yeah, like these apps do work and they work perfectly fine. So, so just in case you're wondering, just in case Google is a question you have, I always have up-to-date kind of videos on how to have Google on Huawei devices. So definitely check those out. But yeah, Google, not exactly a problem. I will not be doing a giant deep dive on the operating system because I just don't want to waste your time showing you Harmony OS while we'll be having a different version here in the Middle East. Now, another thing on the display to remember if you're planning to get the Huawei Mate XT or XTS is that one side of the display is always out to the open, and that to me is a concern. Now, I will say this, I love holding a Huawei trifold device compared to the Samsung one, and if you want to see a bit of a comparison, go over to my socials. I've done a bit of a comparison when I had both of these in the Samsung store, but I do like the hold and feel better because of the curves and the softness. But this display being outward is a problem. You do get a case in the box which will cover it from the side. I don't have that on me right now, but it is something to keep in mind that this is what you get when you have the Z folding structure of unfolding the device. One side is always going to be on the outside. The other thing is this slight little bend that turns up because of the outward folding structure. Again, if you see, this one is an outward fold and this one stays nice and flat, but there is that little bit, which again, not a big problem, but definitely something that you should know if you're looking at picking up one of these devices. Now, one thing I absolutely love on the Huawei trifolds are these cameras, and like they are really good. Now, this one I haven't had time to test out. I've just taken a few sample shots, which will, I guess, be playing over as I speak right now. Now, on this, we get a 50 megapixel triple setup, whereby we get a 50 megapixel wide camera, 12 megapixel periscope, as well as a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Now, on the XTS, it's a 40 megapixel ultra wide. But yes, you do get all three lenses on this as well. You get OIS, you get EIS, you get 4K 60 FPS recording, and most importantly, you get the chroma sensor. But that's about it for the camera right now. Next up, I want to talk about the processor, because that's another difference that you will see. Not a big one, but you will basically find that the XT has the Kirin 9010 and the XTS has the 9020. But that being said, you do get 256, 512 and 1 terabyte options, as well as a 16 GB of RAM. Now, very importantly, if you are buying this here in the UAE, the pre-order offer is actually pretty cool as far as storage is concerned. So first and foremost, during the pre-order, from 12,999 dirhams, you will get it for 9,999 dirhams. That's one awesome thing. The second awesome thing is that you will get a storage upgrade. So if you buy 256, you will get 512. If you buy 512, you'll get 1 TB. And I think that's pretty cool. Plus, they're giving away a keyboard worth about 500 dirhams. And I think that really seals the deal in terms of a triple folding device. You need a keyboard, right? That's the only way you are going to take advantage of it. I have one already, which I don't know where I've kept, but do keep that in mind for the pre-order offer. Now, last but not least, inside this we have a 5600 milliamp battery with 66 watt wired charging, 50 watt wireless charging, and 7.5 watt reverse wireless charging, and 5 watt reverse wired charging. So plenty of charging options. As far as battery goes, I think I want to start seeing a slightly bigger battery. I understand that they have to keep it thin, and that's why it is the way, and it's obviously got 3 battery pieces inside here. So I completely understand that, but like, I think we need to start touching about 7,000 when it comes to triple fold, especially with such a big display. in use over here. And to quickly wrap things up, we do have stereo speakers for that nice, let's say, enjoyment of your content. We do have a fingerprint sensor on the side, which is decent. Sometimes because of smoothness, I end up clicking here on the screen and I'm just like, oh, what's going on? But it's the button, so it takes a minute to kind of find that. We do have a selfie camera on the front over here, but it is a almost nothing camera. I'm not even going to count it. I think it's like 8 megapixels or something like that. Let me just check. Yeah, it's 8 megapixels. All right, so that was a quick look at the Huawei Mate XT, XTs, whichever you want to look at it as. We're going to have the XT here in the UAE really soon, so definitely do check that out. And yeah, let me know. What do you guys think? Because it's awesome to be holding pinnacle tech, right? This is absolute pinnacle tech. But it's also one of those things where I wonder, and I keep asking this question, do we need trifolds? Is this something you're looking forward to? As this technology gets better and gets cheaper, will you be considering a trifold? Do you think that this could replace your laptop and your phone and all that together and just you have one device? Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to know. But until next time, my name is Danesh. Don't forget to support the channel. Anything you do is appreciated. And I will see you at the next one.